6 hatchbacks. One thing in common. None of them will leave you stranded. Right now, across the UK's used car market, there are hundreds of thousands of hatchbacks sitting between £3,000 and £12,000. Most of them are fine. Some of them are genuinely good. But a specific 6, backed by hard reliability data, real owner surveys, and independent repair claim analysis, have earned a reputation that separates them from everything else on the forecourt. These are not the flashiest cars on this list. They are not the fastest. One of them has been described, without irony, as the most boring car in Europe. But every single one on this countdown has passed the test that matters most to the majority of British drivers. You turn the key, it starts, it runs, and it keeps running, month after month, mile after mile, winter after winter. This is not about 0 to 60 times. This is about the What Car 2025 Reliability Survey. 32,493 owners, 227 models, and the Warranty Solutions Group analysis of over 20,000 live repair claims. It is about fault rates and fixed costs and how long a car sits in a workshop when something goes wrong. And starting today, we are counting down 6 dirt-cheap UK hatchbacks that simply never break down. Let's go. Number 6. Ford Fiesta MK7 2008 to 2017. The Ford Fiesta is the most stolen car in Britain and the car most likely to be on your street right now. It is also, by independent warranty claims data from Warranty Solutions Group, one of the most consistently reliable small hatchbacks available under £5,000. Specifically look for the 7th generation Fiesta, running from 2008 to the MK7.5 facelift up until 2017. The engine to seek out is the 1.25-liter Duratec naturally aspirated petrol. Avoid the EcoBoost turbocharged engines, which suffered from early coolant loss issues. The simple, unkillable 1.25 unit had been in production since 1996 and refined over decades to mechanical perfection. The Fiesta's USP is availability. There are more Fiestas for sale in the UK than any other used hatchback, ensuring excellent price competition and an unmatched parts network. Independent specialists charge minimal hourly rates, and parts are available same day. Crucially, the 1.25 Duratec uses a timing chain, not a belt, removing a major traditional ownership expense. Expect to pay under £4,000 for a clean example with documented history, or under £2,000 for one needing minor attention. Used price range, £2,000 to £6,000. Number 5. Mazda 2, 2007 to 2014. The first and second generation Mazda 2 occupies a unique place in the British used market. It lacks the badge recognition of a Volkswagen or the fleet numbers of a Vauxhall Corsa, but the data tells a deeply impressive story. In the Car Health 2026 reliability analysis, drawing on What Car survey data and warranty-wise claims, the Mazda 2 scores a reliability index of 87.4 out of 100 and is highly rated as an engaging budget hatchback. The 1.3-liter and 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engines have an exceptional fault record. The 1.3 MZR unit uses a timing chain instead of a belt, has no complex turbocharger to wear out, features a 12,000-mile oil change interval, and commands servicing costs under £150 annually at independent specialists. The most common issue on high-mileage examples is simple rear drum brake adjustment. Furthermore, this generation was engineered to be lightweight, communicative, and fun to steer. It delivers Japanese reliability wrapped in a chassis that makes the school run feel like less of a chore. Used price range, £2,500 to £5,500. Number 4. Hyundai i10 MK2 2013-2019. The second generation Hyundai i10 achieved a perfect 100% score in the What Car Reliability Survey, with not a single fault reported among surveyed owners. Out of 227 models, only 4 cars achieved perfection, making the i10 the only budget city hatchback under $5,000 to appear in that elite group. The 1.0-liter and 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engines are among the simplest small car power plants available. Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty means many 2018 and 2019 examples are still within factory coverage windows. Insurance groups start at an ultra-low Group 2, road tax is 0 for many pre-2017 examples, and independent servicing runs around 100 pounds. The Direct Gap Reliability Guide highlights the i10 for having almost nothing to go wrong and low annual repair costs. The Car Health Analysis calls it a risk-free choice. At 3,000 to 5,000 pounds, it is one of the most reliably dependable small cars ever sold in the United Kingdom. Used price range, 3,000 pounds to 7,000 pounds. Number 3. Honda Jazz MK2 and MK3, 2008 to 2020. In 2025, what car named Honda the most reliable car brand in the UK with a 96.6% rating, and the Jazz was the backbone of that result. The second and third generation models cover 2008 to 2020 and are available from 5,000 pounds upward. The 1.3-liter and 1.4-liter naturally aspirated petrol engines have a fault record that Parkers describes as bulletproof. Even the third generation 1.5-liter full hybrid notes a fault rate of just 3%, with no faults serious enough to prevent driving. The distinctive fold-flat Magic Seat system allows the Jazz to offer van-rivaling load capacity, making it the most practical small hatchback ever sold in the UK relative to its size. Owner loyalty is massive, with many buyers on their third consecutive Jazz simply because the reliability math always adds up. Used price range, 5,000 pounds to 12,000 pounds. Number 2. Toyota Yaris MK3, 2011 to 2020. The third generation Toyota Yaris holds a reliability index of 92.8 out of 100 in Car Health's analysis. The MK3 delivers Toyota's legendary dependability at excellent budget prices between 3,000 and 8,000 pounds on the UK used market. The 1.0-liter and 1.33-liter naturally aspirated engines are highly proven, stress-free units. Later examples from 2019 arrive with Toyota's Safety Sense Suite standard, providing advanced safety tech that was optional on rivals. Toyota's Relax Warranty program extends coverage up to 10 years or 100,000 miles, free of charge, every time the car is serviced at a Toyota dealer, giving used buyers manufacturer backing. The Honest John Satisfaction Index gives the Yaris a massive 96.94% ownership score, and guides call it one of the strongest used car bets for a reliable, practical, and easy-to-live-with runaround. Used price range, 3,000 pounds to 9,000 pounds. Number 1. Toyota Corolla MK12, 2018 present. The 12th generation Toyota Corolla starts from around 8,000 to 10,000 pounds for the earliest examples. While more expensive up front, its total cost of ownership over 5 years firmly earns it the top spot. The Honest John Satisfaction Index explicitly names it the most reliable hatchback available. Toyota offers a manufacturer warranty of up to 10 years, meaning a second owner of a 6-year-old example remains fully covered. Its 1.8 or 2.0-liter full hybrid system produces an excellent real-world 45 to 55 miles per gallon, which is vital with petrol prices consistently high. The hybrid system is engineered for over 300,000 miles of operation without battery replacement under normal conditions. Additionally, Toyota's Safety Sense is standard across all trims from launch. The Corolla isn't a flashy car, but it will cost you less over 5 years of ownership than almost anything else because it simply will not break down. On British roads today, that is the whole story. Used price range, 8,000 to 20,000 pounds. 6 hatchbacks, 2 platform sharing options that deliver VW reliability under 5,000 pounds. A Spanish underdog that drives better than the badge suggests. A Japanese cult classic that has broken hearts for all the right reasons. A tiny city car that scored a perfect 100 in the UK's most respected reliability survey. The king of practical small cars from the manufacturer that topped the reliability rankings in 2025. Japan's gift to budget motoring with a near-perfect ownership score. And at the top, a hybrid hatchback that the data says is simply the most reliably reliable family hatchback you can buy in the United Kingdom. The pattern is straightforward. Simple engines outlast complex ones. Japanese and Korean engineering dominates the reliability data. And at every price point on this list, there is a hatchback that UK drivers can buy with confidence, knowing that when it comes to the school run, the morning commute, and the Sunday motorway mile, it will simply start and go. Which of these 6 is already on your driveway? Or which one are you considering? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one. Subscribe for the next video, and we will see you there.